Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja video editor app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Motion Ninja app. Then we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.